We have to make some preparations for winter. Winter is coming, and I have a guy that does the snow plowing for me and did so for my father. So he's been at it for, I think it's over 30 years. He started 89 on this property, and yeah, I've kept him since I took over this place, so I don't want him to run into things. So I take this spruce, small spruces, about, I don't know, 2 meters, and strip the bark on 3 sides just to make it look a bit nicer, and then I cut the branches off so they make some, well, it looks really good in the winter, and we can get, you know, snow up to here, so it's yeah, they need to be at least 2 meters so he's able to see them. So I'm gonna set you up here on this high-tech device. I'm gonna start by cutting a pointy tip. And I'll just clean this up a bit. I just want to leave a little haircut on the top. Yeah. Well, like so. And I think I have 17 of these I've already put up. 4. Yeah, and I do this because they are free. It's nothing more than that. I'm gonna move you back a bit so you get a better view. Oh, I'm right-handed. This isn't going too good. I was afraid that the frost would have gotten into the ground, but it's okay. We got a couple of days more, depending on the weather. Let's see. It's hard to get good film and stuff these days. Yeah, good. So this is how it's going to be. Don't want the tractor down in that hole. And I don't want him down there either. And yeah, that's how it's going to look. And this is when it's done. So now the snow can come. This is I'm late every year. The frost gets into the ground, and then I can't get the what do you call them? No idea. I can't get them in the ground anyhow. I thought that it had frozen, but it was actually in good time, in the nick of time, I can say. Yeah, good. Ja, du tar i öglan, bara drar den rakt då.
Vartifrån?
Där ja. Och så drar den rakt upp, bara ut hit. Tar man den ut hit och så tittar du på den nu så här. Där, och då ser du att jag vet att det är max där. Det är okej, han står och lutar lite. So that was a bit overfull, but now you need to check. You need to watch. The pipe is here, you can see it here. Du kan se det härifrån. Om du böjer den här så ser du röret där, så pickar du in den uppifrån där du kom. Här kom du med den, där. Så pickar du, och så tittar du där, du måste böja den ner mer. Här.
Men jag kan inte se.
Ser du röret?
Jo, det ser jag.
Ja. Och så like so, and then you push it down so it's seated. Yes. So I'm teaching my oldest girl to start and drive this thing. So she needs to check the oil, and then she needs to check that all the tires have air, and they do. Oh, the window is open. Why is that? Oh no. Okay, and then we go inside. Yeah, we need to check fuel. Då klättrar upp på hjulet.
Hur då?
Ta i... Ja, du bara kliver upp, ta i här och så kliver du upp. Sitt på dig handskarna. And then you open that one. Det är som ett gångjärn här, så du trycker ner. Det är samma där. Sen kan du öppna den och titta. And this is coolant, and that's looking fine. And that's diesel. And we have diesel. Vänta lite. I'm gonna find a stick. Because our meter doesn't work. So we need to check this the old-fashioned way. 5-6 centimeters, probably enough. Probably enough, I think. We might need to get some more. Move the carpet, and then you have the lid on the floor. And that's the negative cable that's unhooked. So you just take that and lay it down on the terminal.
Vilken?
The black one.
Den här?
Yes.
Vart ska jag?
You see, you just push it down on the terminal.
Den här?
Yes.
Så?
Yes. Then just, yeah, that's good and tight.
Ska man koppla loss varje?
Yes, we have to. I saw one had mounted a circuit breaker or a breaker on the side there. Så jag har skaffat en huvudströmbrytare, main circuit breaker or what it's called. But now we don't have one. So climb into the cab and yeah, just turn the key, I guess, to start it.
Ska jag stänga dörren?
Sen har du ett fjädrande läge, då vrider du den dit tills den startar och sen släpper du nyckeln. Släpp! Så! Växelspaken framåt. Där ja. Och igen. Ända fram. Nej. Trampa till på en gaspedal lite bara. En gång. Så de varvar till. Nej, släpp inte bromsen. Bara på gasen. Nu. Och så bror lägger i. Gick det bättre?
Ja.
Ja. Och så backar du. Upp med skopan, backa upp med skopan. Titta bakåt. Bromsa. Börja svänga. Vi ska röven ditåt. Röven ditåt och svänger du ditåt när du backar. Ja. Bromsa. Sväng fullt nu. Sväng fullt. Kör inte. Sväng fullt.
Vänta, va?
Sväng fullt.
Så.
Ja. Fullt. Titta på hjulen. Och nu backar du. Titta på skopan nu. Ja. Och så bromsa. Och så svänger du åt andra hållet. Och så kör du framåt. So this is the place where we were moving that pile of dirt over there, and I got some flack in the comments that I didn't use the bucket right. I don't know what, I didn't want to destroy this patch of grass, so I need to lift it over. But I have seen that the 4-way buckets, to dump it, you just open the bucket and not tipping the bucket forward. So this is the addition my brother is going to make. And I made some work for him inside, like footings. That's nice. He needs to do something. Yeah, that beats doing it with a wheelbarrow. So let's see if this gets some comments. Have a good one. Så, nu har du stängt av den.
Mm.
Så nu om du ska starta den, om man kommer och ska ta den och den är så här,
Ja.
då måste man ha koll på den där.
Ja.
För startar den nu så kommer man inte att starta den.